全場嘅食嘅全部嘅禮物。咁啊，好多謝佢哋呢個公司贊助我哋。咁啊我哋特別多謝國會各位嘅官員嘅來臨。喺呢度我祝福大家節日快樂，同埋希望長老們個個有一個愉快嘅晚餐。多謝大家。
Yes. So next we're gonna go on with our next speech.
身體健康，大家好，我叫李晴天，我係耆德會嘅副會長。今晚我同大家稍為報告一下我哋過去呢幾年同埋今年所做咗嘅活動。首先，我簡單介紹下先嚇，要戴眼鏡。我哋每年喺農曆新年都有派燒雞，大約250份俾我哋嘅公公婆婆，同埋我哋喺中秋月餅、中秋季節嗰陣時都有派大約250份嘅中秋月餅俾我哋嘅會員。咁仲有呢，我哋喺父母親節亦都送出大約500份嘅愛心飯盒。係直接送到嗰啲婆婆公公嘅屋企裏邊嘅。咁啊，因為我哋好多義工，首先好多謝啲義工送到去佢哋屋企。好似今早上，我哋已經送咗200份嘅飯盒俾啲公公婆婆，因為佢哋係冇辦法嚟呢度，係佢哋坐輪椅嘅。但係我哋都唔可以唔照顧佢哋，所以我哋今朝早亦都送咗200份嘅飯盒俾佢哋。咁喺社區方面呢，我哋亦都參加中國城不同嘅建設嘅會議，例如建設輕軌，例如我哋嘅社區安全，同我哋嘅警察部門Miss Officer Wu 同埋 Alice， 好多謝你哋，我哋不同溝通，點樣搞好唐人埠，盡量搞好個治安，唔好喺我哋唐人埠越嚟越差。而一定要越嚟越好，係好多謝兩位嘅警官。仲有呢，我哋亦都每年都參加嗰個1年1度嘅中國城海洋節嘅大巡遊，有成過萬人參加嘅。咁我哋嘅耆德會呢，都有100幾十個婆婆係一度咁參加，由開始一路行到尾，好多謝佢哋。咁亦都有我哋嗰啲婆婆公公呢，每3個月呢都有參加一個中國城清潔掃街嘅活動。我哋係嗰啲婆婆呢係帶埋掃把，帶埋啲垃圾鏟去掃街嘅。所以呢樣嘢啦，如果你下次見到佢哋呢，俾個 say hello 佢哋啦嚇，佢哋係好辛苦。雖然佢哋係行動冇咁方便，但係佢哋都好樂意為中國城服務。咁我哋呢，日後呢，就未來我哋耆德會會繼續發展不同嘅公益活動，為中國城。其實中國城有大約2000個公公婆婆住喺度㗎，所以呢，我哋嘅服務對象亦都係為嗰2000人去不停盡量服務。咁亦都相信咧喺各界嘅大力支持同埋大家共同努力之下咧，耆德會相信會越嚟越做得好，令到嗰啲公公婆婆幸福感越嚟越高，係咪啊？大家支持下好嘛？多謝。身體健康，家庭幸福，多謝大家。咁跟住咧。就現在請廚房起菜，請鼓掌。
They have sent me to bring over a proclamation in honoring the work of the Seniors in Action, which was founded in 2006 and is dedicated to promoting civic involvement, community service, and social engagement among over 500 of the seniors in the Seattle Chinatown District area and Seattle area in total. The City of Seattle celebrates the Seniors in Action Foundation's 19th anniversary and honors its dedication to uplifting seniors, strengthening community connections, and embodying our shared One Seattle vision through decades of service, advocacy, and compassionate leadership through Anna Howe and Tim Lee. So thank you for inviting us here, and have a wonderful Thanksgiving dinner. Thank you again.
Thank you so much, Sister Cindy Wong.
I also want to acknowledge Peter Pang for your contribution for tonight's dinner. So thank you so much. And I think that James is going to have a letter of recognition.
Great. Well, happy Thanksgiving, everyone. I am James Bush from the office of King County Executive Shannon Braddock. And Executive Braddock asked me to bring and has contributed much to honoring seniors through the Seniors in Action Foundation. And I just want to thank Peter for all of his work.
Please give a round of applause.
善事，希望佢哋開開心心過呢個感恩節，同埋咧我好多謝咧呢個啲贊助商，包括美心、香港市場同埋百佳超市，非常感謝佢哋嘅贊助。OK， 大家長壽百歲啊，長命百歲。OK， 慢慢享受今日嘅晚餐。OK， 多謝多謝。